Really an incredible opening day, as you just heard from Valerie. The weather held up, the fans have been having fun all day, and the parade looked like a version that we have not seen since really before the pandemic. So here's a look back at the Cincinnati Reds' 147th opening day, put together by our very own photojournalist, Katie Sapero.
Chill out, my man. This is my one and only time to be on TV.
I love everything about it. It's just a great American sport. I grew up on it my whole life. I like it all. I love the horses the most, though.
It's a day we look forward to every year, getting a bunch of friends together and going down through the parade route.
Opening day, the feeling, the energy is fantastic. The people are loving the Reds, and we are loving Cincinnati.
All about memories. Enjoying the sun with my granddaughter and my son.
Ready to take on me? Not yet, Myra. Take on me.
Lead us, boy, we're getting ready to leave.
Hey!
Go Reds!
Teresa!
We did hot Pilates first, so we didn't feel bad about this.
USA! USA!
It's a glorious day.
Back to you.
Got to sign that guy up to be a reporter here. All right, about 160 groups signed up to be in the parade today, and our opening day coverage continues in just a few minutes.